What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Christmas is just around the corner, so today I'll be showing you how to draw Santa Claus. For today's lesson, we'll be using some plain white paper and a black Sharpie pen. Let's start in the center of our page with the mustache. Starting right in the middle, let's start with a point. Now I'm going to work our way over towards the left. From that point, we're going to go up and then bend that down. Go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Going up and then down. And we'll curl up the end of the mustache. Starting back on the left, we're going to round this out, go up and in. Now from the tip of the mustache, we're going to work our way back up towards the center. So let's start on the left. We're going to go out, come down towards the bottom. Now I'm just going to round this out, just pull that back up in the middle. Now I'm going to do the same thing over on the right. Let's start from the top. We're going to go all the way around. Just want to bring that down towards the same height that we have on the left. And just bend that in and then up towards the middle. And then we'll place the nose on top of the mustache. Let's start over on the left. We're going to draw a half circle. We're going to go up and then down. Let's move over towards the side of the nose and draw two circles for the eyes. Draw on the left, and then we'll line this up on the right side. And then on the top left side of each eye, we're going to draw a smaller circle for a highlight. And then we'll fill the bottom half of the eyes in black. Now we want to draw two bushy eyebrows on top of the eyes. Let's start over on the left with a straight angle line going up and in. And we'll line up the top over on the right, coming down and out. Let's round out the inside of the eyebrows, going in and then out. And then we'll also round out the outside, coming out and up. Now let's close off the top of the eyebrow with a slight curve. Now I'm going to place the brim of the hat in behind the eyebrows. So on the left side, we're going to step out, start by curving this up and in, go in between the eyebrows, continue on the right, going out and then down. Let's round out the side of the hat. On the left side, we're going to curve this out and back in, almost like a large bracket. And we'll close off the top with a curve. On the left, we'll go up in the middle and then bring that back down. Now we're going to stick the beard in underneath the hat. On the left side, from this point, we're going to curve the beard going out, come down, and then bring this in towards the middle. And we'll pull this back up on the right side of the hat. Going out, going up, and then back in. Now I'm going to close off the inside of the beard. On the left, curve this out and then down in behind the mustache. I'm also going to go in between the mustache and add a small curve for the lip. Let's draw a circle tucked in on the left side of the head. Starting from the side of the hat, I'm just going to go up, come down the side, and just pull that back in towards the side of the head. Now to complete the hat, we're going to start on top of the circle. We're going to curve this up, bring this in towards the center of our page, and we'll bring this back down on the right side of the hat, going out and then bending that down. We're also going to add a fold on the left side. Starting up here, curve this up and bend that in. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw the side of the body. We're going to start on the left side of the beard, curve the body going out and then down. Let's line this up on the right side, going out and then bring that down towards the same height. Let's connect the ends with the curve coming down the middle, and then we'll bend that back up. Now just like we did with the hat, we're going to add two curves along the side. Starting on the left, going out and then in. Do the same thing on the right. And they'll connect the ends with the same curve we have on top. Come down the middle, and then bend that back up. Now let's layer the belt on top of the body. From the left side, we're going to step up, we're going to draw that same curve, coming down in the middle, and then up. Now leaving a large gap in the center, we're going to draw two lines. One coming down on the left, and then one on the right. Let's trace this buckle on the inside. Coming down the side, across the bottom, going up towards the top, and then we'll close this off. Let's add a thick trim along the center of the body. On the left, underneath the beard, draw a straight line coming down, go over towards the right, and do that again. Now let's tuck the legs in underneath the body. Leaving a small gap in the center, go to the left side, draw a straight line coming down towards the heel, move over towards the right, and do the same thing. Let's round out the bottom of the boots, starting from the left side, curve this down, and then up on both sides. Now let's round out the top of the feet. On the left, go up. It's going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and leave a gap on the inside. Now we go to the top of the foot, step out and curve this out and up underneath the body. And then just up above the foot, we're going to add a curve coming down and up to the edge of the boot. Now we're going to move back up and draw in the arms. Let's start with the arm on the left raised up, starting from the top of the body, curve the arm going out and up towards the wrist, and then we'll add in the thumb. Going up, round out the thumb, and then pull that back down. And then from the top left side of the thumb, curve the hand going up, come all the way down, and just pull that back in towards the side of the body. Let's add in the cuff. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, curve down, and then out, step in, and draw that again. Now I'm going to move over and draw the right arm along the side of the body. Let's line up the bottom edge of the arm, over on the right, curve the arm going out, and then down with a short line. Draw a small half circle with the thumb, and we'll close off the end with a bracket. Now from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to curve the hand coming down and just pull that up along the side. I'm just going to tuck this in on the right side of the body, going up and then bending that in. Let's draw on the cuff, starting from the top of the thumb, curve this out and then up, step up and draw that twice. And there it is, that's how we draw Santa Claus. Now let's grab some markers and I'll show you how to color this in. Let's begin with a red marker and fill in the top of the hat. And then the mittens, and then the suit. We'll also fill the top areas of the legs. And we're going to fill the inside of the face with this light skin tone, working our way around the eyes, and let's not forget the lip. And then we'll fill the inside of the nose with this pink, and then the buckle with this bright yellow. And we'll fill the inside of the belt with this dark gray, and then the boots. Let's add some rosy cheeks with this light pink pencil crayon. And there we have it. That's how we draw and color Santa Claus. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.